Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix edge panel is not showing in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your edge panel is not showing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings app here, and in your settings just go to display and make sure that your edge panel is enabled. So just scroll down, you must see edge panel here, you just have to enable it. So you might get your edge panels here. I have enhanced it so you're looking like this, but you can go to your edge panel setting. If you're facing the issue that it's enabled but not showing here, so you can go to handle, and from here you can set your transparency to low, size to large, and the width to maximum. So once you have done, you must see your edge panel will look like this. So you will locate here that if your edge panel is working or not. You can also customize it, like you can set size, transparency, its size, and its width. So it might be best, I think. But if you're still facing the same issue, it's not enabled here, so it's not looking here. So you can go to settings here, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date. You can also try to check for the pending software updates. Once you have done, the issue might have been fixed, or after making software update, I recommend how to make a force restart. Just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and click on restart again. It will restart your phone, and after restart, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.